Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is a wiring tutorial on how to control the SIYI ZT30 movement via SBUS. The SIYI ZT30 is a high-performance hybrid gimbal pod with 4 integrated sensors, combining a zoom camera, thermal imaging camera, laser rangefinder and wide-angle camera, enabling efficient collaboration across multiple applications. The video is divided into 3 parts. What products will be used in this test? How to connect the wires. How to demonstrate the result. What products will be used in this test? The products used today are SIYI ZT30 gimbal, SIYI RC7 remote controller, SIYI N7 flight controller, and Tata 16,000 mAh battery. Cables used: ZT30 signal transmission cable, ZT30 power cable, S.bus splitter cable, RC7 receiver power cable, N7 power module and USB cable. How to connect the wires. The video signal transmission port of the ZT30 connects to the LAN port of the RC7 receiver. The connector for the ZT30 side is GH1.259 pin, and the connector for the RC7 side is GH1.258 pin. The S.bus port of the RC7 receiver is connected to both the ZT30 control port and the N7 flight controller RC port using an S.bus splitter cable. The connector for the RC7 receiver S.bus port is GH1.252 pin. The connector for the ZT30 control port is GH1.255 pin. And the connector for the N7 flight controller RC port is DuPont 2.54mm 3 pin. The N7 power module connects to the battery to power the flight controller. Then connect the ZT30 power cable to the battery to supply power to the gimbal. The power connector for the ZT30 is SH1.254 pin. Finally, power the RC7 receiver. The power port connector for the RC7 receiver is XT30. Use a USB cable to connect the computer and the ZT30. How to demonstrate. Open the SIYI official website on your computer. Download and install SIYI Assistant. Open SIYI Assistant. Click on Gimbal Configuration. And in this interface, you can assign channels for various gimbal functions of the ZT30. After configuration, click Save to complete the setup. Turn on the remote controller and enter the ground station interface. Operate the control sticks and you will see that the gimbal moves accordingly. This means we have successfully controlled the ZT30 movement via SBUS. This concludes the wiring tutorial video on controlling the SIYI ZT30 movement via SBUS. Thank you for watching and supporting us. If you have any questions about the video content, or would like us to explain certain parts in more detail in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue to bring you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials and practical guides. See you in the next video.